Hi everyone, welcome to Simple Things. Today's video is about boiling eggs. Whether you recently started cooking or a well-experienced cook, this is one problem all of us may find difficult to solve, right? Today, in this video, I'll show you a quickest and foolproof method for a perfectly cooked egg. I assure you, you can find a solution for all your worries about cracking shells, greenish yolks, half-boiled egg, rubbery egg white, leaked egg while boiling, or an overboiled egg. So let's learn how to boil an egg perfectly. Cooking is a science. If you take exact measurements, there is literally 0% chance that any cooking experiments will fail. So, as you can see, I am adding salt to it. Egg white becomes solid more quickly in hot, salty water than in fresh water. So, if you boil egg in salty water, even if the shell cracks, the egg white won't shoot out a streamer of white, as it will be sealed up as soon as it hit hot salty water. Egg white contains 10% protein and 90% of water. The proteins in egg is what makes the egg white hardens when you cook. We're going to heat up the egg quickly in maximum heat. This will ensure the perfect cooking of egg than slow boiling in normal water. If you boil the egg for a long time, what happens is the egg white becomes rubbery, as the proteins form more bonds squeezing out the water out of it, which will make it rubbery. Same will happen if you boil it in high heat for a long time. As you can see in this video, the time I am taking to cook the egg is way faster than traditional boiling methods, and yet it will retain all the nutrition. The reason for putting the egg immediately in cold water is to prevent the egg to cook further, which will make it rubbery and to stop having a greenish egg yolk. The greenish grey color will appear because of the iron-sulfur reaction in egg yolk and egg white. The age of egg also affects the cooking time of it, as the fresh egg shells are more difficult to peel than the old ones. So this one I'm showing you is the medium cooked egg. Some people prefer it this way. Some prefer it soft boiled, that's the egg yolk in a partial watery form. Now I'll show you how to cook the hard boiled egg.